Hey yo, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. So for today, I have an interesting video for you as we are going to be talking about wheat. If you guys have never heard about this token, I promise you, you are missing out. This is the most sustainable yield optimizer on the Binance Smart Chain. And today, let's just say we have some big things to talk about as they have just got into some big partnerships, some big giveaways, and there is a lot to cover. But before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market and see some insane tokens like wheat, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but at the same time it helps me and you as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will see the positive side of wheat, they decide to invest in it, get into the farming side, and we start making a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Now before we get into the new partnership and the giveaway part, I want to just remind you guys what the wheat is and why I personally love this token so much. First of all, if we just go down and look at the stats, you guys can see the circulating supply is only close to 400,000. It's actually 28,000 less than 400,000. At the same time, 16,000 wheat have been burned. Keep in mind, one wheat is like $2.30, so 16,000 is quite a bit of money. Also, if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see their farms are actually providing up to 250% per annum return. That's a big return. If you think about, the banks give you like 1%, that's max. And the best thing is they're actually reliable. Across all their farms, they have close to $4.9 million locked away. And if we actually go to their vaults, you guys can see they have some insane returns, but the first two are connected with ApeSwap. ApeSwap is also a very big company and we just recently partnered up with them. Before we get more into it, for the people who do not know anything about wheat, the reason I personally love it so much, not just the stats, but also it is backed up by such a big company which is called Growth Defi, and at the same time they also have some very interesting ideas such as the fee collector to actually help wheat grow very quickly in price and also help the farms. If you guys do not know, wheat is a token used to intensify the products of Growth DeFi ecosystem. In exchange, a large portion of the revenue are directed towards buybacking and burning it. The ultimate goal is to make wheat deflationary. And if you guys partnership that they got with the ApeSwap, if you guys do not know, ApeSwap is actually very big. They have close to like 200,000 followers just on Twitter and they're very well known. But just about 3 days ago, Growth DeFi actually partnered up with ApeSwap. Growth DeFi is proud to welcome ApeSwap on board as our official partner for the launch of our over-collateralized stablecoin More. This partnership presents sustainable benefits for both representative communities, and we are excited about the prospect of working together to benefit our users. Now, just to actually sum it all down for you, let me just tell you briefly what is going on. So to sum it up briefly in a TLDR, it's been a stable launched sometimes roughly in August. It will be the only stable coin that you can leverage LPs as collateral, can also leverage stable coins and regular tokens too. It's a fork of Maker DAO, and partial profits from fees go to buybacking and burning Grow and V, as well as increasing liquidity, increasing more supply with its over-culturalized structure to set more confidence it's hold the peg of $1. The ApeSwap partnership is to deepen the liquidity when more launches so users can leverage more out of the gate, as well as across marketing with such a big player on BSC. You guys know ApeSwap is a big player. This launch is what separates us from a regular yield optimizer, since now farmers of wheat will now have increased deflation as well as ability to leverage their LPs for higher APY if they choose to. So now you guys understand this token is going to make a big difference because it is going to be a stable coin which will be stuck on $1 USD, and ApeSwap is going to help them with the liquidity, and at the same time it is just going to be a great thing, as at the end of the day all of us will be able to make a lot more APY, so a lot more profit at the end of the day. Now ApeSwap will benefit getting bananas as accepted as cultural for more, having a banana freight pool that rewards farmers of Grow, and also banana buybacks and burns from portion of the profit. Now, how more will benefit the growth system is allow users to leverage yield farm positions on wheat, which benefits more and wheat since it's increasing the TVL of both. Wheat and grow will be bought back and burnt with a portion of the profit. G-Root's treasury will have a place to increase yield on its position and maximize its earnings, separating wheat from a good concept long-term driven yield optimizer to something revolutionary. That's crazy, man. There is just so much information that I have on this token at the moment. It is crazy. And also this just puts a cherry on the icing to tell us that wheat is actually here to stay. Also, ApeSwap will help wheat in a very different manner. They will provide with an initial liquidity stablecoin collaboration for MOR, so there is a higher depth when MOR is available to be minted from the jump. And just in general, having the top player as a partner builds more credibility and also a cross-market collab for more. Like, more will be a lot more popular if ApeSwap is connected to it. You guys see what I mean? Like, let's say we go into football. If we are versing Ronaldo and we beat him, we will get a lot more credibility compared to beating a little kid that's 5 years old. Does that make sense? I think that's a bad example, but you guys understand, like, wheat has some big ideas backing it up, and soon as this stable token will be released in August, which will be in coming like 2 to 3 weeks, it is going to make a huge difference to the wheat farm and also just the wheat price in general. And ApeSwap, that is a huge partnership. We haven't even talked about the giveaway that they will be doing. Now, these giveaways are massive. Growth DeFi is looking into, so this was just posted by one of the Altcoin. They said, should we give away 5 Ethereum for free with Growth DeFi? And they just put the eyes, so it could be happening. And another giveaway that is happening by Growth DeFi community is $5,000 in BNB, and you can actually enter it right now. If you do want to enter, it's very simple. Just make your way to their Twitter page, click the link, and then you will be told to do some steps. The more steps you do, the higher chance you will have of becoming a winner. I mean, 5 grand, that's a big amount given away in a very short period of time. It will be done in close to 10 days. And more when that stable token comes out, there will be a lot of leverage also happening. Let's start out of the way. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. What do you think about this? Let me know down in the comment section, because me personally, I'm very excited. You guys know, whenever it comes to wheat token, I'm always excited. This token has my heart. I just love the idea behind it and the team behind it. They are amazing people. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.